If 4 days after tomorrow is Saturday, what day was 3 days before yesterday? Ayan po. Marami sa atin mga nalilito sa ganitong tanong. Ang tawag po sa ganitong question is analytical ability. Logical reasoning. Ngayon, ang clue dito para makuha natin yung tamang araw, ay yung tamang sagot. Unang-una, kailangan natin malaman yung present day nung question. So, alamin pala muna natin kung ano ba yung pinaka-main question. Ang pinaka-main question dyan is, eto, what day was 3 days before yesterday? Yan ang pinaka-main question yan. So, paano natin malalaman yung sagot yan? Para makuha natin yung samang sagot, is kailangan malaman muna natin yung present day nung question. Diba? Yung present day nung question. Yung question po na to mayroong present day. Ngayon, ang present day natin is, ano bang araw ngayon? Ngayon ay Friday. Tama. What day was 3 days before yesterday? Pag sinabing before yesterday is nung nakaraang araw. Yesterday is kahapon. So, paano natin malalaman yan kung hindi natin alam yung present day nung question? Diba? So, para makuha natin yung present day nung question, dito natin siya kukunin sa naiwan do sa tanong. Ito yung if 4 days after tomorrow is Saturday. Diyan natin kukunin yung present day para masagot natin yung tanong. So, paano natin gagawin yon? Pag sinabing tomorrow, bukas yon. Tama. Pag sinabing day after tomorrow, sa makalawa. Diba? Kung ngayon ay Biyernes, bukas ay Sabado, ang makalawa ay Linggo. Tama. Ngayon, ang 4 days after tomorrow is Saturday. So, from Saturday, magbibilang tayo ng paatras ng 4 na araw. So, from Saturday, Saturday. Pangalawa is, sunod sa Saturday is Friday. Saturday. Pangalawa is, bago mag-Saturday is Friday. Bago mag-Friday is Thursday. And ang pang-apat, bago yung Thursday is Wednesday. Tama. Ang day after tomorrow is Wednesday. Ang 4 days after tomorrow ng Saturday is Wednesday. So, ang tomorrow dito is Tuesday. Tama. So, ang present day natin, kung tomorrow ay Tuesday, ang present day ng tanong is Monday. Tama. Now, nakuha na natin yung present day. Pwede na ngayon natin sagutin tong tanong. Now, what day was 3 days before yesterday? So, ang present day natin ay Monday. So, ang yesterday niya ay Sunday. Tama. Maray natin ito. Sunday. Okay. So Sunday, 3 days before yesterday, o 3 days bago ang yesterday, bago ang Sunday. What day was 3 days before yesterday? O, anong araw bago? 3 araw bago yung Sunday ay... So, magbibilang tayo ng paatras uli. From Sunday, ang unang bilang natin is Saturday. Second is Friday. And third is Thursday. Yan ang sagot. If 4 days after tomorrow is Saturday, what day was 3 days before yesterday? At ang tamang sagot ay Thursday. Nakuha niyo ba? Kung medyo nagugulan kayo, pwede niyo pong ulit-ulitin itong video hanggang sa magets ninyo. At kung nagustuhan nyo naman po yung video natin at gusto nyo pa ng mga gatong klase ng video, huwag nyo po kalimutang mag-like, share, at follow. Salamat!